Hey friends, it's me. Today I will show you how to bypass your new iOS 15.6 with network. Okay, first of all, format your iDevices with TrueTool or iTunes or etc. tool. So after that, you need to put your Wi-Fi in your device and check your device is logged or not. So after that, this is an iPhone 7 and it's logged with activation ID password. So we don't have a ID password, so we bypass that phone with our new tool IRemoval Pro. So let's see how to bypass and how to use network. Okay, so first of all, open your IRemoval Pro, then connect your cable with your iDevice. After that, your phone will be checking with iRemoval Pro, and after that you will be see your device is supported or not. I already registered my serial in a iRemoval Pro server, so let's click jailbreak here and jailbreak your device. Now you have a prompt checkra. Now start this. After that, boot your device in a DFU mode. Let's see how I did. After that, our device is connecting in a DFU mode with our PC. It's taking up 5 to 20 seconds. You know that. So let's you can put your device in a DFU mode. After that, our jailbreak tool, I ran 1.2 exploding some files in our device. After that, our device will be jailbroken and you will be see that logo in our phone. After that, iPhone has been turning on here. When your device boot, you need to activate with our iRemoval Pro. Now our device is checking here, it's jailbroken showing here. Now we need to click activate. It's taking 5 to 7 minutes approx, so you need to patient here. After that, it's depend in your internet connection, so you need to wait for a minute or a while. After that, your device will be rebooting again and you need to set up your phone as a new device. Now we can see here iRemoval Pro website. Now close all the website and turn on your phone, then set up your device as you like. Now our device is turning on here. Now we set up our phone as usual. If you need, try again once all the tool. Now our device is completely unlocked here. Now we can check with SIM. It's taking a time, so you can check this. I inserted my SIM in this phone. After that, you can see searching a network and it's connected with our Ancel network. Now you can check balance here, and now checking call. So I'm trying to recover a number, so here is my number. After that, I'm trying to call with another phone and it's turning on here and it's call supported. Thank you guys, hope you like this video.